Hi friends, my name is Shubham Giri and I am a automation engineer, and it's been a 7 years I'm working as an automation engineer. So I have a 7 years of experience in a technical background in automations. So about the Be10x, I would like to give a feedback about the Be10x. So where I found it and why I choose the Be10x. So I found this Be10x on social platform, and then I choose this means decided to take it to improve my skills in automations and my day-to-day work lives in automation. So about the course, I haven't finished the course yet, but I have been already seen great results, like automating more tasks at work, and which has given me more free time, and this has also helped me to gain recognition at my work. So B10X is the place where you can master your work using AI, so making day-to-day task much easier and more efficient.